Here I have PANASONIC Eluga Tapp, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon. Then from the following list, let's scroll down and simply find and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down to display and let's tap it. As you can see on display, let's tap wallpaper, and here you can choose wallpaper from your gallery, from wallpaper gallery, from photos, or from live wallpaper. Let me use wallpaper gallery, the wallpaper from Panasonic, right here the last option, and here you've got some prepared wallpapers. For example, you can use the following one, and all you need to do is just tap set wallpaper, and now this is your new wallpaper. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.